Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the AutoCAD ribbon and tool palettes using the easy method. This is a great way to arrange your drawing buttons so your digital workspace fits your personal work style perfectly. Step 1. Open the main custom user window. The first step is to type a basic command into your software to open up the large master editing panel where all your visual buttons and tool layouts are controlled. Move your pointer down to the empty typing bar at the very bottom of your screen, type the text command CUI, and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Wait a brief moment for the large customization dashboard to load up completely in the middle of your screen view. Because the standard drawing screen locks your top buttons in place to prevent accidental changes, you have to open this deep modification panel so you can gain permission to drag, drop, and rearrange your menu items. Without this step, you cannot create new button groups or hide the tools you never use. Step 2. Design your own custom ribbon panel. Next, you need to use the left side of the customization box to create a brand new button row and drag your favorite drawing tools directly into it. Look at the top tree list, click the small arrow next to the word Ribbon, right-click the folder marked Panels, select the option to create a new panel, and give it a clean name. Scroll down to the bottom command list, search for the tools you use every day, like lines or circles, and drag them up with your mouse into your new panel rows. Because the factory layout fills your screen with dozens of heavy buttons that you might never need for your current work, by building a custom panel, you gather only your essential shortcuts into one neat space. It ensures your drawing screen stays clean and gives your mouse hand a much shorter distance to travel. Now you need to close the main customization window, open your side tool container, and create a blank workspace tab to hold your favorite repeated drawing shapes. Type the command Tool Palettes to bring up your side tool strips. Right-click on any empty gray edge space on the panel and click the option that says New Palette. Type a clear name for your new tab space, then open up an active drawing file and drag your custom blocks or shapes directly onto the empty palette sheet. Because repeating the steps to build complex shapes over and over drains your daily project time, by dropping your custom designs onto this side storage palette, you turn them into quick click stickers. It is the key step to getting the right output because it lets you slide your favorite shapes onto your screen with a single mouse drag. And that's it. To customize the AutoCAD ribbon and tool palettes, you must first type CUI to open your master editing panel. Then you use the ribbon folder to design a custom button row filled with your favorite commands. Next, you use the Tool Palettes command to build a fresh side tab for dragging and storing your common shapes. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.